Hi, this is Ken Lau, Power BI trainer. How to apply or claim the training course from HRD Corp. This is from the employer side. Now, for example, if you are an employer represents Aon Credit or the Star Media Group had, you have thousands of employees. So this would be helpful to you. So why do I do that? Do this record? Because, well, 13 hours ago, there is a person called Haley Deans explained this, and it kind of like in the dark. So I see if I can help in a more detailed way. So, and there are someone already replied with some wordings, and I think that we can still improve. We can help in future others to understand better, faster. So the founder of Malaysia HR Forum, Aurul Kumar, says that recommend me into to this solution. Thank you for the founder. The one I recorded earlier is for on the training provider side. So this one is for employer side. So what this person says get from TP, all these are very important. So let's just look into it. So yes, first of all, you need to get the usernames and password ready. That means you already registered. And then now you get from the training provider. So training provider can be short form to TP. So then you get a quotations, a course outline. Yes, the course name must be exactly same, otherwise it will not be approved. Trainer profile, trainer's HRD Corp, TDT certificate. This is very important. Okay, and the CHUIB you choose must be HRD Corp approved training provider with HRD Corp certified trainer. Then you can log into the e-trees and click the apply guides and follow all the steps. I'll explain what is that all the steps in a short while. So there's also an important note is that you must apply the grant 2 to 3 working days in advance. It's a working days, yeah. So HRD Corp work 5 days. So now, how the quotation looks like? Well, I don't know how others, but I know what is a proof one. This is a proven, right? I've been using this to help my clients. I have served over 500 companies, over 5,000 Malaysians for the past 15 years. So this quotation works. So what essentially you need is that the person in charge, the company, and the fee, and also the course name, the date, where is training to. So these are the 3 important things. And the next is that your micro credential ready course outline. So again, the title must be exactly same with the one registered at the TP side, the training provider side. And that's a course outline. And the third thing is the training profile. So the training profile looks like something like this. Again, it's a proven one, and the certificates, the TDT, or the HRD Corp accredited. These are accredited trainers. This is higher level than the trainer. And so how's the training profile looks like? Well, of course, I want to give you a good example, right? So right here. So it should explain how the person becomes a trainer, and some of the preferred pictures, and some testimony if you like to, right? So yeah, so there you are. Okay. Now, what's next is the okay. Good. Let's come back to here. So now have this thing here, so remember that after you have this, you now to log into e-trees. So at e-trees, click apply grant. So how does it look like? So I have apply grants. This document is not from me, it's on HRD Corp. So let's look at it. What is that? It's called a HRD Corp grant applications. So what's the purpose? To submit the SBL Khas. Now it's changed to HRD Corp Claimable scheme. So you see that you need to at least 1 day working days before the commencing date, and then the supporting. You see that invoice quotations. So quotations is enough. Invoice cannot be provided because now invoice to be invoice directly to training provider, the HRD Corp. So yes, cost contained, right, which is cost outline. Okay, so now you log into the employer C3 account, click the applications, click the grant. Okay, that's called work list grant. Click apply grant. Click apply. You see here, apply on the left side. Okay, on the left side, click apply. Click the scheme. Somewhere here, scheme. Okay, so maybe they change to, I think maybe they still use SBL Khas. Let's look at that. Select immediate officer. Click next. So next is right here. The button's next is right at the bottom here. Select this training where applicated. So this is where the HRD Corp, the training provider must be HRD Corp approved training provider. So creative wise, Sanjay Bahat is approved training provider by HRD Corp. So then you click the next at the bottom here again. Then you select the training program from the list. Key all needed necessary where appropriate and click next. So select the training program. Assign background objective. So SMY should attend to their task. Okay, so explain that relevancy. So it is important. For example, Excel training is important. So it is related to their career improvement. So just copy this, explain they will do, right? Excel example, Excel training is related to their career development. Okay, that's it. So then you have the type and so on, and then you click the next. Okay, select the trainer from the training provider list. So right here, external. Okay, click the next button right here. Oh, there's an add. You need to click the add button and then click the next button here. Key in the train location where appropriate. So yes, train locations, HQ, full address here, and so on. Number of travel days, so you can either use 1 day or not applicable. Okay, good. So then select the level of executive where appropriate. So this certificate of attendance. Okay, so cool. Then you click the next. 12, follow the notes. What is the notes? So here is where you need to add the trainee detail, right? So the trainee details, there's a button that you can add all in the based on the Excel file. Let's see here, right? Add this batch. So click the add batches. Yeah, cool. Okay, so one thing noted is that as you can see, the grant balance is more than the levy balance, right? What is this grant balance, right? I was taught that someone says that the grant balance is actually a projected balance for the next 6 months. So, and then the levy balance is what you already contributed to the HRD Corp fund. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so you click the add trainees. Okay, you can key in this. You can see here, click add, update this. I see you need key in. If you're keying one by one, you can, right? Otherwise, you can use the Excel method. Click add if you want to add more. So you see that if you have only 2, you use the add method is good. If you have 10 to 20, use the Excel version. So just select this option here. Then you click the next button. Key in all the cost fee. So we can see the cost fee is here, 1 day duration, number of units, how many packs, and then you get this number here. So you can also claim the trainee daily allowance. Okay, I was told that in order to claim the trainee daily allowance, that you need this e-disbursement form. So get hold of that also. Let's take the declaration, select grant officers. Okay, so that's your name, right? The person in charge of the company of this training department. Okay, put in the PIC number. So make sure you have all these things. Okay, see, that's why you need the document here. So add attachment, all the needed ones. So the quotation, the cost outline, the training CVs. If you are doing the training external, you need the hotel quotations. Yeah. Okay, so the grant officer, the grant officers is from the HRD Corp, right? And the query is this. So it will update it into employee screen. It will be modified via email and inbox. Okay, so where's the inbox, right? So inbox is actually here, my friend. It is actually here. Here, this is the inbox. Okay, the inbox is referring to their E3 system inbox. So over there you can see whether it's approved. Another way is that they will notify you via email. Okay, I guess this video should be enough to help first time employer to claim or apply the grant. So a recap is that you need a quotation, cost outline, trainer profile, trainer HRD Corp TDD certificates, and then log into apply grants, follow the steps, and make sure you have, well, HRD Corp say 1 day, but then you know how many people are applying. So 2 days to 3 days is a good buffer time for you. So if you really cannot, last minute, just 1 working days will be good. Okay, so well, that's all about it. So if you're interested to hire me as a Power BI trainer or Excel trainer, please contact me. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless Asia. Together we excel before 50.